How to check credit score in Lloyd's app. Now, there are two ways on doing this method. You can also do this on using your laptop or PC and through your mobile phone. Now, if you haven't installed Lloyd's app on your phone yet, just simply download it via the Play Store. If you're using an Apple device, then just do it on the iOS or the iStore. Now, once you've downloaded the Lloyds app, for you to be able to check your credit score, then you'll need to create or register an account with Lloyds Bank. Once you're fully registered, you will now then log in to your Lloyds Bank account, and then on your dashboard, this is actually your login page. Once you logged in, you will go ahead and check on your credit score and see your borrowing options. For you to be able to check your credit score, just simply click on this profile icon right here, and you should be able to see your credit score. Now again, you can view your TransUnion credit score and full credit report. You can see how your score changes over time, and you can use their tips and tools to help you understand your score. You can also visit their website at lloydsbank.com's official website, and you can hover around these guides and settings for you to be able to have a wider view of how your credit score works. So that's it. That's how easy and fast you are able to check your credit score using the Lloyds app.